Right, good morning, first years. Last week you did main, median, mode and range. This week we're going to look at something called a stem and leaf diagram. Stem and leaf diagram. Okay, this is a stem and leaf diagram here. It's about Jamal, who's a star player in the school's basketball team, and the points he scored in the matches are shown in the stem and leaf diagram before. What does it mean? This part here is the stem, and this part here are the leaves. Now, when you make a stem and leaf diagram, you must have a key. Key is really important. It tells us what's going on. So the key says that 3 stroke 3 is 33. So it says that that and that equals 33. Okay, so that tells us that the stem here is in tens. So this is in tens, and this here is units. Okay, now that's important because it's important we know that, because that could be units and that could be first decimal place. So we have to specify in our key what is going on. So in this case our key is 3 stroke 3 equals 33. Now let's just write down what the numbers are so you're quite clear. Here we'll take row 1. We'll take this row here first. We've got 0, 2, that's just 2. We've got 0, 4, which is 4. We've got 0, 7, which is 7. The next row, these are tens. This is 10, so it's 10. So we've got 10. We've got 14. We've got 16. We've got 16. We've got 17. We've got 19. The next row would start off 22. Then it would be 26, 28, 29. Then it would be 33, 37, 39, and the last one would be 40. Okay, so it's a concise sort of way of storing the information. Now, what can we do with this? Well, we can find the range, the median, and the mode easily. So the range from your last week, the range is equal to the highest minus the lowest. Now the highest is here, 40. The lowest is here, 2. So the range is 38. Okay. Next, let's look at the mode. Now this is by inspection. Where can you see? There's 2, 4, 7, 10, 14. We've got 2 16s. And that's the only thing, there's 2. But there's 2 6s in that row. So that means we've got 16. We've got a 16 and we've got a 16. So we've got 2 16s. There's nothing else that there's 2 of. So the mode is going to be 16. Now the median is the middle one. Now I believe there's an odd number of numbers in this, so the median should be bang in the middle. Let's just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, there's 17 numbers. There's 17 numbers. So 2 into 17 goes 8 remainder 1. So we're going to have 8 numbers in our bottom half. We're going to have 8 numbers in our top half. And to have the median is going to be bang in the middle. Remember, if it's an even number, we have to take the average of the mean of the middle two numbers to get the median. Okay, so we're 8 on either side. Now, how are we going to do this? We've got two ways of doing this. We can either write out all the numbers, or we can stroke them off. Now, so if we stroke off from the top, we're stroking one off from the top, one off from the bottom. So going top ways, we're going down the way, so we're going down the way, and this way we're going up the way. So this way we're going down the way, this way we're going up the way. This way we're going down the way, this way we're going up the way. This way we're going down the way, up the way. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I've done too many. Hang on. That should be there. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's fine. That's my bottom half there of numbers. That's my top half there of numbers. Okay, and so here 19 will be the median, so the median would be 19. Okay, another way of doing it is just to say okay, there's 17 numbers, so if I go along 8, it'll be the 9th. And then you can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's that one. Or you can write all the numbers out. So you'd have 2, 4, 7, 10, 14, 16, 16, 17, 19, 22, 26, 28, 29, 33, 37, 39, 40. You can write them all out in a row and find the median that way. Whichever you feel most comfortable with. I'm not very good, I must confess. When I'm stroking off from the top and the bottom, I keep making mistakes and I don't know why. Let's just see if I make a mistake. Again, yeah, I've made a mistake again. I'm not very good at doing that for some reason. Probably you'll be better than me. I would prefer to count along. I'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the 9th. I'd do it that way. Okay, but it's up to you. You see which is better for you. Okay, so that's the range is the highest minus the lowest. The mode is the most common. And the median is 19. Okay, so, and we must have a key to tell us what's going on. We'll be drawing one in a minute. Let's just go on to the next question, okay? Right. Now, what is this? Here is what is called a back-to-back stem and leaf. So, in this case, this way, is a stem and leaf for the head of modern. I'm just looking at the blah blah mock exam results. Mock exam results, okay. So that was the Spanish results, and these ones here, well, they look back to front, are the French results. Okay, it's still the same. That's the stem in the middle. So that's your stem there, and these are your leaves here and here. Okay, so if we looked at it for Spanish first, so for Spanish, let's have a look at the key. 6, 2 means 62. Okay, so Spanish, we've got 32, 36, 39, 41, 48, 56, 57, 57, 59, okay, etc., etc. For the French, we've got, nobody's got in the 30s. We've got 42, 46, 47, 49, 51, 53, 59, 62, 65, 65, 66, okay? 70, 70, 71, 72, 77, 80, 81, and 87. Okay? So that's what you call a back-to-back. A back-to-back stem and leaf. It's a matter of keeping it quite neat. Yeah? Now, can we see what the range for Spanish would be? So, Spanish, the range would be, what's the highest number in Spanish? 89. Minus the smallest one is 32. And French, the range would be, where's their highest one? Let's do it in a different colour. Would be 87. Remember, we went back the way here. 87. And their smallest one would be 42. You're kind of reading backwards, so you need to be careful. So that one there would give us a range of 89, 79, 69, 59, 57. And this one here would give us a range of 45. Okay, so the results are more bunched in French than they are in Spanish. Now in Spanish, the mode looks to be here to me, so the mode is 57, I think. And looking at French, let's just get the colours, hang on. So the mode is 57 there, and I think the mode for French, oh, there's two modes. There's 65 as a mode and also 70 as a mode, so there's two modes for French as far as I can see, just looking quickly. And the median, it's median again, let's just see how many results there are. There are, let's look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 results. 19 results. 19 to get the median. I'm doing 19 divided by 2 equals 9 remainder 1. So if I go in 9, you're going to have 9 in the bottom half and 9 in the top half. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I think that's our median there. Let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah. And the other side, when we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we're getting here, so it'll be 65, I think, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah. So the median for Spanish is equal to 60, and the median for French is equal to 65. What's all this telling us? What's the point in all this? Right, the range for Spanish is 57. That means the results are quite widely spread. And in French it's 45. So results in French are more consistent. Yeah? The mode is a difficult one because there are two modes. But the mode, generally the mode of the mode of French is higher than the mode in Spanish, and the median of French is also higher than the median, the middle result in Spanish. And it looks to me overall as though, but we haven't taken the mean yet, it looks to me overall as though they have performed better in French and more consistently than they have in Spanish, we could say from that. Okay? Right, this is quite a long video for you to watch, but I want to make sure you understand it. Right, let me just take us down to the next one. After several months of growth, Kim measures the height in centimetres of each of her plants. Their heights are given below. 38, 14, blah, 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 blah. Right, so we're going to draw a stem and leaf. Just put it there. Right, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Now, we want, let's just have a look at the results. What's the lowest result? It goes tens. What's the highest result? Is the 40s. Okay. So our stem is going to be 10. So we've got 0 tens. Oops. No. We've got 0 tens. We've got tens. We've got 20s. We've got 30s, and we've got 40s. Okay. So the first thing we do is we have to just draw an unordered stem and leaf. So we have it unordered first of all. So I'm just going to go through the numbers. I'm going to get 38, so that'll be 38. 14 will be 14. 22 will be 22. 36 will be 36. 35 will be 35. 29 will be 29. 19 will be 19. 24 will be 24. 32 will be a 2 there. 35, we've got a 5 there. 41, we've got a 1 there. And 47, we've got a 7 there. Now that's it unordered. Now from that, we need to draw an ordered one, okay? So let's just put this up a wee bit. So that's unordered. Let's just put that unordered. Now we need to order it. So, not left myself much room actually. Silly me. Never mind. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the zeros we've got nothing. Then we've got a 4 and a 9 here. 4 and a 9 here. Now we've got 2, 9, 4. So let's put it in order. 2, 4, 9. We've got 2, 5, 5, 6, 8, and we've got a 1 and a 7. Okay. What do we need? We need a key. We put key. Key. So we'll put 3 stroke 2 equals 32. And that's your stem and leaf diagram. Okay? Oh, you'll hear the clock, so I'm in school. Okay. Now, the last page I've got on here, which you can look at, you can stop using and look at, is just talking about what we've talked about. So it goes on about the stem and leaf diagrams, mean, median, mode, and range. We won't be doing the mean out of it. You can do the mean, you can put them in order, you can add them up and divide by how many there are, of course. Now all your stem and leaves should be ordered, the ones that you're drawing, okay? Now that little bit there just shows you everything. You can stop the video and have a look at that. It just gives you a little bit of resume of what I've been saying. Okay, so that's us. I'll post your work on Teams, so as before, your work will be in assignments, your actual pages will be in assignments, and the video I'll post in files, because when I put it in assignments, it doesn't, the sound doesn't come out for some reason, which I don't know why, but never mind, it works in files. When you have it on files, please download it. Okay, see you soon. Bye.